See that again. Yeah, okay. Alright. It's okay, you don't think so much. Just whack the ball. Alright, not bad.
Tastes kind of good. Whoa, cool, right? Hit the other ball. Why is there's a lot?
Alright, see that again. Ooh, that was close. Not bad, not bad.
I'm getting gooder and gooder, right?
I'm getting better and better. I got that. That got out there.
Other ball. That's what you always do. You do the highest one ever.
Not bad, Julian. Looking pretty good. I see a lot of potential here. Alright, one last one for the camera. Ooh. Oh, let's try that again. Whoa, not bad. Pretty good. Alright. Say hi, Mama.
Hi, Mommy.